My name is Chris Agard. I'm one of the bartenders here at Sloppy Joe's. We're going to be showcasing today the 201 cocktail I created. It showcases the Sloppy Joe's Blonde Reserve Rum made by Pilar. So let's get at it. First, we're going to ice our cup. We're going to give ourselves about an ounce of the Sloppy Joe's Blonde Rum. And we're going to be using about a half ounce of liquor 43. I'm going to top that all off with some pineapple juice. Give that a nice shake. On a shaker tin here. Garnish with a little cherry. Top off strong. And enjoy. Tropical, light, just like it is down here in Key West. Enjoy.